Hey everyone, this is Tim from AudioTech Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a PlayStation 5 3D audio headset profile. So we want to go up to the top, go to settings right here, and scroll on down to sound. Then go to where it says 3D audio for our headset, and there should be an option like this, set up 3D audio. And when you do that, you have the option to enable it on the top, enhance the audio through your headset by making the sound three-dimensional. And then you can apply personalized 3D profile if you want, and you can create a new profile right here. And then you can practice right here, and you can hear it. It sounds pretty good. And you can just customize this under here. It says, where do you hear the sound coming from? Move with the D-pad or the left thumbstick and select with X. Where do I hear the sound? I think I have to repeat it, so maybe I'll back out and back in. But you just have to select the location of the sound. So let's just create a new profile and start practice round. So just a practice round right now. It sounds like it's in the top left a little bit more, so I'm just going to move up. Actually, somewhere like over here. And then I have to do it. Sounds like it's somewhere over here. And this one's like moving across diagonally, kind of like this. This one's kind of moving across. So you're going to hear this in your ear playing. So that's what I'm hearing right now. Then we can start measurement. And we can officially do it now. And this is just going to fine tune it a little bit more. So somewhere over here. This one is blowing my mind. I really don't know what's going on. And this one, do it one more time. And now I hear audio all over the place. Go to next round. So you got to do this 7 different times. So you can set it up and get it really fine-tuned to exactly your headset. And then you can go to listen, compare, stereo versus 3D, and just hear the differences in your ear. So definitely set this profile up and you will be blown away. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on AudioTech Studios.